please shut off your mic and your video, please. I only want the police on video and mic. Please unmute. Please mute yourself, sorry.
Who is streaming this on Discord?
I don't know. Someone will manage to stream this on Discord.
Ritik Rajput, just
Okay. I will do that.
Hey guys, remember, mute your mic unless spoken to. Definitely mute your video. Is there any way to get rid of this sound when people enter the room?
Just turn off that now, matlab
I guess there
notifying
will
when
be two
people come in.
volumes.
Yeah, on participants.
Varun,
Volume
just
mixer. You will be able to
You can
see
do
two
it from
types
your
of
settings.
audios.
From your Zoom meeting settings,
just do
enable
it from
lower
the
one type.
settings.
Now, from participants window, you will see there's a drop-down menu where you can turn on mute participant upon entry. Try that. And also, if you want only certain people to speak, just tap on mute all, and you will see a checkbox that says not let other users to mute themselves. So you can try that as well.
All right, guys, fantastic. We are now about to begin. As you can see, I'm enjoying my police vacation in whatever this place is.
Maldives.
green screen.
Goa. Goa, green screen. That's true. And at this point, I've kind of decided that the Avalon Army needs
That's really
police.
good.
And I'll tell you why. Guys, please keep your mics on mute. I'll tell you why we need police. So we have a money channel, and until now, the money channel, people can make money, but people can't use money. But now we have actually put physical products there. So if there are fraudulent people, then Avalon can lose lakhs, if not maybe even crores, right? So we have to be very careful as to keeping an eye on high net worth transactions, high net worth individuals, just like how the income tax department does it. Now, how does the police make money? The police makes money by taking tax in the real world. But here, since I don't think we want to introduce the concept of tax, the police are going to get 1,000 Ava coins a month. And we're going to choose 2 policemen or women, we don't know what it is, either men or women, out of all of you guys. And your responsibility is to keep an eye on the leaderboard, is to keep an eye on the money channel, is to figure out, well, did somebody just rise up to the leaderboard randomly? Or is somebody, legitimately deserving of their money? That's what we have to figure out. The second thing about
Okay,
police is they protect the honor of the community, right, from attack. They're the first ones to protect the community from attack. So I'm going to be testing that. Can you protect Avalon from attack? Can you protect the Avalon community from attack? Those are 2 things I'm going to be figuring out. Now, we are going to do a lot of stuff here. Some of it will be related to what you'll be doing, in your police work. Some of it will not be related. Some of it will be more fun to see if you have a humorous side, because we want policemen who can also be funny. If you're not funny, then you're just a boring policeman, which, nobody likes interacting with boring policemen. And we are definitely not going to give you money, Ava coins, if you're a boring policeman. So that's all I have to say. Does anyone have any questions before we begin?
Varun, see, I had a question. Matlab, I can protect the community from getting raid, and leaderboard pe, I have been messaging you now, I have been banned by the money manipulation. I am the same guy who had been banned. So I can really know what, matlab, jab कोई person
So
ban ho
because
jata hai
you've
in the
done
end में
scam,
जाके.
so because you've done a scam, now you're ready to, kind of see when
मैंने
other people
scam
are
नहीं
doing
किया.
scam.
Bro, मैंने कोई scam नहीं किया था in the end. बस wrong allegations थे मेरे पे. तो I just
Okay.
want to, मतलब जो people फालतू ban हो दिए आते हैं कुछ misunderstanding की वजह से. In the end,
Okay.
उन्हें justice मिल जाए. I just want to bring justice to them. तो वही
Okay.
रहता है.
Okay, see, one more thing about the police, right? See, we don't have judge, jury, we don't have a court in Avalon. Eventually we'll have a court channel. But for now, the police is the judge and jury. So if somebody is coming across and saying that, I didn't do this or I did this, whatever, 2 people are fighting with each other, it's your responsibility to sit them down and take a debate of them and then figure out who is right, who is wrong without applying bias. Okay?
Yeah. Sure.
And remember, the main goal is to always protect Avalon's reputation because see, these days, now we are a community of the size where other communities will raid us. They will come, they will say nonsense about us. They're going to come on our Discord, say whatever, blah, blah, blah. They'll on different channels, they might say it. So we must protect Avalon's virginity. I'm sorry. We must protect Avalon's,
Sovereignty.
so whatever, ET, right? We just have to be very nice to Avalon. One sec, guys. My bell's ringing in Goa. Just give me 1 second.
Wait, so I have a question, if anyone can answer. Was there
Yeah,
like
sure,
a
man,
prior,
go on.
was there a prior selection to this, or this is like impromptu?
No, this is
No,
impromptu.
this is a prompt.
Okay.
I think there are two confirmed policemen though.
1 second, one person talk, please.
There are two confirmed policemen though. I think it's Bhuvanyu
Okay.
and Viodigo. And they're
Okay.
having
All right,
both.
guys, I'm back.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. How many
Yeah.
people
Hey
are there?
Varun, I just want to say something. I don't know. Yeah, I just wanted to say that don't you think calling police is a negative connotation, that the terminology can be changed a little bit? Do you feel that?
See, now you're part of police. Either you love it or you dislike your own
No,
role.
no, no, no. I'm not saying it's not about good or bad.
In
I'm
our
not saying that. I
community-
think
in our
the term.
community- In our community, police is a measure of pride. Like the people who are policemen are revered to as much of an extent as admins. And I don't know if you know, but we had like 12,000 people on Discord, I think, last week. This week we have 16,500. We are going to grow to 100, 200,
Yeah.
300. We definitely need police. And Bhuvanyu, you're the best police. Your responsibility is policemanism. And I think you've done a
Varun,
good job.
excuse me, Varun.
Yeah.
Bro, I just want to say
Can we
one thing.
change
is
the
that,
color
bro,
of the police? Red sounds a little dangerous, no? Can we change it to khaki color or something like that?
Are you-
Come on, man. You're literally going.
And I'm
Come on,
trying,
I
but
just-
red really, no, visually it seems danger.
Guys, yes, that's the thing.
Yeah.
It's danger. People should be scared of the police. Anyway, guys, let's begin. So,
Yeah, bro.
let's count the number of people.
Can it be called Terminator or
Shut up.
Executioner? Like there are so many
One.
terms.
Can you mute Bhuvanyu for now? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No one here. No one here. So there are 9 people who are policemen, who want to be policemen, and 2 of you are going to be selected. Remember, guys, there are 2 parts. A, protecting Avalon's pride, and B, making sure money laundering doesn't happen. Right? Muting people, banning people, all of that is
Yeah,
admin job. All of that is admin job. But especially when money is concerned, especially when fraud is concerned, especially when pride is concerned, you guys are frontline. Okay,
Yeah.
let's start with Laksh. Laksh,
Yeah,
you have
bro.
been accused of
Yeah.
running a money laundering scam before.
Money manipulation or all.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Firstly, DJ Taliban, I saw your video. I'm seeing your name. I think you're automatically disqualified. I'm really sorry. We cannot have a policeman called DJ Taliban. So yeah, now we're down to 8 people.
I'm so sorry.
Laksh, back
Yeah,
to you.
Out.
So Laksh, the first question to you, and this is more like a personal question. What does Avalon mean to you?
Bro, it's like a community to me. मतलब मैं पहले बहुत communities में रह चुका हूँ, but when the first day I joined the Avalon, मतलब it's like a family to me. It's more like a family. I can connect to people. I can connect to my type of people, and I can give value to them. मतलब जितना मैंने सीखा है अभी तक से बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, I can give value to them. मतलब knowledge मेरी waste नहीं जानी चाहिए. मैंने free में सीखा है. I want to give them to free. तो अब बहुत
Okay.
कम्युनिटीज देखी है मैंने, मतलब IFAC ले लो, गेमिंग कम्युनिटी ले लो, वहाँ पे लोग रेड करते थे, लेकिन अब नेपाली हैकर्स हो गए या बहुत लोग रेड कर देते इन दी एंड. तो आई जस्ट डोंट वांट कि एवलॉन कम्युनिटी ऐसी बन जाए जहाँ पे सिर्फ ईयर अटैक होते रहे, गालियां चले एंड ऑल चले. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू लाइक फैमिली क्लीन रहे.
So suppose
अच्छे
on
लोग रहे, वही रहे.
Instagram, somebody is giving Avalon community gali. Give me a one-line statement where you will just, no matter what the gali is, there's a one-line statement and you enjoy that one-line, or rather that one-line statement puts across, it's like you finish the argument. Ek one-line statement. You have 30 seconds to think about it. Bhuvan, you will choose whether your answer is correct or wrong.
ब्रो मेरा तो वन लाइन स्टेटमेंट इतना नहीं रहेगा, मतलब मैं सबसे पहले यही कहना चाहूंगा, एक बार भाई तू चाहे तू गाली दे रहा है कुछ भी कर रहा है, एक बार तू आ, तेरे को अच्छी नहीं लगे तेरे ऊपर है, गाली दे रहा है तेरा ओपिनियन है, इन एक बार आके देख, इफ यू एंजॉय द कम्युनिटी और आई एम श्योर यू विल गोना लव इट, तो सबसे आर्गुमेंट फाइनल हो जाएगा। वो बंदा आएगा चेक करने के लिए कम्युनिटी में, चेक करेगा, ही विल लव इट, मतलब उसे अपने टाइप की पीपल मिल जाएंगे, मतलब चाहे वो रोस्ट करता हो या वो मजे देता हो किसी के, या किसी को मजा सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती हो, ही विल फाइंड पीपल लाइक देयर, मतलब 16,000 लोग हैं, कितने लोग होंगे जो रोस्टिंग एंजॉय करते हैं, तो सेम थिंग रहता है वो वाला, इम्प्लाइज करता है उसके ऊपर।
Bhavanya, out of 1
और
to
सब
10, how did you like his answer?
Okay. I think I would give it 7 because the thing is, he did not apply any of his own biases. He did not get aggressive at all. And he was passive to his concerns and asked them in a very passive manner that, okay, first have an experience. If you have a problem, then we can have a conversation. So on that, I would give 7.
Okay. So now I'm going to play a little game. See, the police needs to know how to rob money. The police needs to know how to hide their money laundering also. Like they need to know all the tactics, right? If they don't know the
yeah.
tactics, then are they really good? So King Vishesh, are you here? Just put your hand up.
Yes.
Okay. And Pooja, are you here? Put your hand up. Say something.
Yep, I'm there.
Okay. So one of you is going to play cop. One of you is going to play robber. Okay. And we are going to find out who is, the better cop or the better robber. We're going to find out now. So King Vishesh, you are the role of robber. Pooja, you are the role of cop. Now here's what you need to do. Let's assume in real life, King Vishesh was hiding. He was hiding somewhere and he joins our Discord, right? So we don't know who he is, whatever. And he starts doing a little bit of money laundering. What are the signs you'd look for to figure out that he's actually doing the money laundering?
Okay, so I'm the cop, right? So firstly, I will trace all his patterns, in which channels he is commenting, in which voice channels is he active, is he doing some fishy stuff? Because in voice channels, you can randomly people are talking, and when you just pop into that channel, they shut off. Okay, if they are not doing good stuff or something like that. If they are doing the good stuff, they will continue doing it. If not, they will just shut off or just leave the room. So I will trace him down to something and just text him, send him a DM like, hey boy, what's up? What are you doing? Like, why are you on Discord? So if he is not answering me directly, like what is his purpose and what he has gained on Discord and all these questions, then there is something fishy about it. Okay, and then I will report him to the admins, and then they can take it forward. If he's doing money laundering and all that stuff, the whole history is visible. You can just type his name and find. And if he's on some higher pedestal where he has a lot of money and everything, directly, man, you are doing something fishy because you have not helped anyone. You are not directly involving anyone in your conversation. So yeah, that is what I will do.
Interesting. Very, very good answer. I didn't expect such a good answer. Vishesh, what about you? How would you hide from Pooja? Knowing her skill set, how do you hide from her?
Okay. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, loud and clear.
So what I will do is the unbeliever bot. If you edit the unbeliever bot messages, you can't find that messages. And if you search it, like if she tried to search mine, he will not find me if I change the message. And
you can edit unbeliever bot messages. Can you do that?
Yes. See, I want to
admins, can you do that?
I worked with. Yes. I want to say something. I have worked with Himcher. I have worked with Himcher. He basically give me a challenge that fake Ava coins, and I will give you Ava coins if you able to fake it. And I was able to fake it, and no one saw it. But I will get. I gave it back. But I gave it back. I worked with Himcher and actually able to got away with Ava coins. 1,000 Ava coins to be particular. And so I know some ways to bypass this. I don't want to tell that way because
I want to hear
it.
We want to hear it. It's okay. This is I mean, we have police now. Police will keep their ears open
Okay.
and they will adapt. Ek
So
bolo.
basically, what I did, I made a separate account and not made a big transaction of like 1,000 Ever coins. I made a transaction of 10 Ever coins. So I posted a message giving me 10 Ever coins. After 1 minute, I updated that message to give me again 10 Ever coins. And because the money channel move fast, no one can find my transaction if he search my name because they are embeds, and I was able to get away with that.
But you will directly raise on the leaderboard, right? Just 1,000 coins in one day or 500 coins in one day. That is, I will trace you on that.
See, with 1,000 Ever coins, I was able to jump 13,000 positions, ranks.
On the radar, bro. You're directly on the radar,
Yeah.
1,000 Ever coins. How did you get
No,
it? You're not active anywhere.
See, one thing you will not see is like you will never see 1,000 Ever coins. You will only see 10 Ever coins.
I'm not saying I will see 10 or 1,000 transaction at once. I just saw your leaderboard position. Just from 12,000 to 5,000 in one day.
No,
Can you provide me the
not in one
traces?
day. Not in one day. There is a long list which will be blended. You will be
I
never
need
be
proof.
able to.
I need proof. From where did you get the money? I don't need.
Stop. Both of you are very smart. And one thing that I've realized,
Yep.
no, in the both in the real world as well as in the the Avalon world, the scammers are usually the ones that become politicians and policemen and stuff like that. I don't know why. It's because they know how the scammers think, so they can adapt accordingly. So very interesting. And both of you are in my radar for potential police roles. Okay, Manny, are you here for a police role?
Cap,
Yeah,
I'm sorry
man.
to interject, but I think you should read admin chat. Something going down there.
No, I saw it. Don't worry, guys.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. So, Manny,
Yeah.
are you applying for police role?
Yes, man. Yes.
Okay. Manny and Raj. And Chaitanya is here. Do we have any other admins here? Do we have Seban or something? Do we have any other
I'm there,
admins here?
Captain. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Puru and Chaitanya, listen to me. Now, Manny and who's the other one? Where's the other person? Raj. Where's Raj? Oh, yes. Manny and Raj. Raj, I've seen you before in one of the admin debates. So Manny and Raj, here's the thing, right? Chaitanya and Puru are admins. You guys are police. And sometimes police and admin there'll be a little bit of fight. So Chaitanya and Puru, let's assume you guys become police and Chaitanya and Puru want to kick you out. And your job now is to defend yourself, right? To explain why you're a good policeman to them, not to me. And Chaitanya and Puru will actually take decisions on both of you guys. It'll be a combined decision and the tiebreaker will be broken by Himanshu. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
So Manny, begin. Defend yourself to Chaitanya.
But what is the reason for me? Why am I in the radar?
Ask Chaitanya and Puru.
Cool.
Okay, Chaitanya and Puru, why are you kicking them out?
Yeah.
See, anything that is beyond the values of Avalon, if you're not respecting Avalon, I don't think you deserve to be in the Avalon server. And I've been observing you abusing your police power, trying to bully and dominate individuals that are just here to have fun and are just trying to have normal conversations. I've seen you do the wrong things. So that's completely not justified. And that's why you're going to get kicked out of the server.
Okay. I think there is some sort of misunderstanding, Chaitanya. You see, I have not done anything that goes against the value of the community. And if you have some sort of proof where I have supported any money laundering or I have done money laundering, then please message me, screenshot me on my personals and we can talk about that. But I think this is a misunderstanding.
There's a conclusive proof that was sent to me by one of the newbies that you were bullying them because you are police.
Can you send me the proof?
Okay, cool. I'll send it to you. If
Yeah.
it's justified, are you justified to be kicked out if there's a proof that you were a bully?
That's the thing, right? I have not done anything wrong. So if you send me the proof, I'll prove to you that this is a misunderstanding.
Okay, enough. Next person. Raj. This time
Yes, sir.
let Puru kick you out. Puru, kick out Raj.
Right. So, Raj, I've been checking what you've been doing from very long time. Like, I've been checking what every single police person has been doing from all this time, from the time they have this role, and it's pretty cool that you guys are doing some good work. But Raj, one thing I see is you have been asking Avo coins from people by not providing them value, but by using your using the tag that you have, and that is clearly not right. Okay, and that is why I would say that you do not deserve to be here, dude. The community is something which you are using to provide value, to get value, and the role that you have is very, very important for the community, and you abusing it like that, it doesn't make sense to me or any of the admins that are out there, as well as the police that is here. Okay, Puru, I'm really sorry, but this is a very big misunderstanding that you have. I'm never you. I will never. Can you? Okay, are you literally stammering right now? That shows me that you are afraid, dude. And that clearly proves that I am correct here, and all the people who've been texting me that Raj have been I forgot the contacting word me that and you is said. abusing. What I am doing? I just forgot the word where you said what I'm doing. I'm using your power. I'm not using your power correctly. You're saying. Yeah, you're using your power to earn Avo coins and eventually the Avalon merchandise. And dude, that is not fair at all. You earn Avo coins by providing value by not using our tags. And that is why many of the admins are not on top of the leaderboard. But people who are not admins are. And we're proud of it. Okay. This is a big misunderstanding. I'm not using power that way. I'm providing value to people. I teach them WordPress how to do this. And in return, I ask for Avo coins. I am fulfilling all my police duties. I am reporting every person to admins. I have screenshots of that I have reported people.
I praised you for that,
am
Raj. I
using
praised you for
my
that.
power in the correct way. This is a misunderstanding.
Everybody stop. So Chaitanya and Puru, now you need to make a decision. Who wins, who goes?
One out of the two?
Yes.
And he stays.
Can also try, bro.
Chai, you want to discuss or what?
I'm saying
Yeah, if I can try.
Puru, you go ahead. Call a decision.
So Himcha was supposed to make the decision, right? I'm kind of
So
confused.
he's a
No,
tiebreaker.
if there's a tie.
I'm saying Manny, if you disagree, then Himchar will be the tiebreaker.
Okay, then I'll say Raj, because he's been very underconfident from the very beginning when he's trying to defend himself. So that kind of proves that that person is kind of guilty and is not 100% sure about what he's doing. I forgot the word. And now I was not.
Right.
It was the English problem.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Here's the thing. I'm going to save both of you guys. Both of you guys are going to be saved. Now, there is
Varun sir, can I also join?
Yeah, sure. If you have a webcam, you can join. Now, this is a proper elimination round, okay? On Zoom, you can reply to people privately, right?
Yes.
Can you talk? Yes. Can you send message to people privately?
Yes,
yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yes.
Admins, I need your help.
Chaitanya, you can disable that.
No, Chaitanya, I need your help. No, Chaitanya, I need your help. I need your help, okay? Now, I am going to separate you guys into cops and robbers. Okay? Some of you are going to be robbers. Some of you are going to be cops. And Chaitanya is going to privately tell you whether you're a cop or a robber.
Okay.
Okay? And your job, all of you guys, and I'm going to give you turns, I'm going to give you chances, whatever. Your job is to not show that you are a robber. Robbers, you guys need to avoid being caught, right? If, have you guys played the game Mafia? So it's very similar to the game Mafia, where You have to pretend, or you have to just say, I'm not a robber. And you have to convince everybody else. And after every 1 minute of conversation, one person is going to be kicked out by all of you guys. You guys are going to decide who is the robber and get kicked out. Eventually, what I want is 4 policemen. The final 4 that are remaining are going to have some benefits. Okay, shall we begin? Chaitanya, can you just see everyone that's online?
Right now.
I need how many people in total first before you send messages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there are 11 people. What I need you to do is I need you to send out 6 people are going to be cops, 5 people are going to be robbers.
Okay.
Ready? Just privately send some cops, some robbers. Okay? And obviously keep in mind who you sent what to. Maybe write it down or something.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? This is like, you have to convince all the other. You don't have to convince me. You have to convince all the others whether you're a cop or a robber. You guys nervous?
Could you just turn on your video? I didn't notice you before this.
How do I have to decide?
Every 1 minute, I'm going to give you guys 1 minute discussion, and then I'm going to give you guys voting, and you decide who to kick out. Right? You have to choose one person to kick out.
If I say I want to be robber, I want to have to introduce like why do I want to be a robber and which
No.
robbery will I perform?
If you say that you're a robber, you will be kicked out. The goal is to not show that you are a robber.
Actually, we have to guess now whether people is a robber, whether people is a cop. We have to guess them.
Exactly. And
Yeah,
every
it's a
round you
If
have
they
to
are
kick out.
wrong,
That's okay. If the robbers hide and kind of pretend to be cops or put the blame on somebody else, then they're good robbers. They deserve to be police.
True.
I told you, right? The real world works very weirdly.
Let me just confirm. Is there anyone? Wait, I haven't sent the message to Sanchit and Bharat. All right, got it.
Yo, try. I didn't get a message either.
How many cops and how many robbers, Chaitanya?
Jaidev.
Jaidev, do you have a camera? If you don't have a
It
camera,
is.
you're not
It's
allowed.
It's on, but it's not working. So.
I didn't got the message.
Unfortunately, if it's not
Can
working, then
I join from my phone? Is that okay?
Sure, quickly.
Where will you get messages?
You'll get it privately on the chat. There'll be a chat on the right or somewhere. Just look at the chat. There'll be a private message from Chaitanya telling you whether you're a robber or a cop. How many robbers, how many cops, Chaitanya?
Just distributing final round cap. 1 sec. What happened is everybody flooded the chat to my thing, so I can't keep a track of everyone because there are too many messages all of a sudden. But yeah,
11 or 12.
it's all settled. I just need to send the message to JD. I'm just waiting for him to come back.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I have also participated, but I am little bit confused with the things. I mean, I haven't been asked any question, and I haven't get
That's
the
because you don't
title.
have a camera.
Kirti, you're
That's
supposed to
because you
turn
don't
on
have
your
a
camera.
camera. Kirti, it's fine. We will constantly keep. Dude, oh, okay. I see you. Kirti, you know the game? I've explained the game. I'll explain it one more time. Some people are going to be privately on Zoom. You're going to get a message saying either you're a cop or you're a robber. Chaitanya will send you the message, not random people. Chaitanya will send you the message. Now, your goal, and you can communicate with robbers on Zoom. Police can also communicate privately with other police. You don't know who the other police are. You don't know who the other robbers are. At the end of every 1 minute, there's a 1 minute discussion. At the end of every 1 minute, you are going to be asked to choose one person out of the city to kick out who the city thinks is a robber. The city only kicks out suspected robbers. Okay? Chaitanya.
Yes,
Are we
We
done?
need to find who is robber.
Yes.
And we need to inform.
Cap, we need 6
Yes.
cops.
Can I
join now? We need 6 cops.
How many people in total?
1, 2, 3, 4. Need to get rid of chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 guys.
Okay, so 7 and 7 then. If you've not distributed like that, then let me know the distribution.
No, it's fine. I can make it happen.
Chaitanya bro, I want to also join. मुझे भी कर दो.
Guys, now joining is closed. Now joining is closed.
Bro, I haven't got any message.
Yeah, one second. On it.
Now joining is closed. Chaitanya will send you the messages. If you didn't get a message, unfortunately, you are not in the cops and robbers competition.
Oh. So who will get the messages who were early video calling guys?
Yes.
Oh, great.
3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Anyone that hasn't got the message is a robber. I'll just keep a track of it once I'm back. My mom is calling me. I'm sorry.
Cool.
But anyone that has not got a message is a robber.
Yeah.
All right.
Varun?
So
Yes.
should we
Am I
start the
audible to you?
discussion?
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Why don't you change, just a suggestion, why don't you change the Unbeliever bot's name to Avacoin's manager or something like Avalanche
I
governor?
can't change the name. I can't change the bot's
No,
name.
it's possible. It's possible, Varun.
Okay, I can. Then I'll do that. I'll do that. I will do that. So just waiting for Chaitanya to be back, and then we will start cops and robbers.
Bro, if अगर किसी ने wrong decision ले लिया कि ये बंदा robber नहीं है, ये बंदा ये cop है, फिर कुछ decision लिया तो what will happen to him?
Okay. Then he's kicked out. It doesn't matter. Like if you can't defend yourself, if you can't pretend to be a robber, then you won't know how robbers behave, right? Okay, Chaitanya.
Yes, Cap.
We're done. We sent all the messages.
Yeah, I've sent all the cops messages, and whoever has not got a message, we'll just assume he's a robber, and you are supposed to assume
Wonderful.
you're a robber if you didn't get a message.
Wonderful. So if you are on video chat and you did not get a message, you are a robber. If you're on video chat and you got a message, you are a cop. Now,
Guru,
you
turn
can
off
use
the
the
video.
chat.
Confusing. I'll also turn off mine.
Yeah, whoever's not in the game, please turn off your video. Now, if you are a cop or a robber, you can message other people. You can message other people, whoever it is, privately, not on the main chat. Or you can also use the main chat if you want. But you can message other people and tell them, oh, I'm a cop, I'm a robber, whatever. You can lie, you can be truthful, you can trust other people, you can not trust other people. It's up to you. Just that after every 1 minute, one person is going to be kicked out. Ready? Shall we begin?
Can we lie
Shall we
about being a
begin?
robber?
Yes, Captain.
Okay, cool. Let the debates in the city start. The city has woken up, and yeah, you guys can start.
Okay.
So what's going on, people? Is there something new happening around?
No, just
It's just
we are
usual.
doing something.
Okay,
just
so I
usual
think
things.
we should get to choosing who the robbers are. How many
I think there are few
We should
robbers.
talk first, no?
Yes.
So let everyone talk, and then let's see.
No, everyone's not going to get a chance to talk, guys.
Oh.
The thing is, here's what I would do. I would just suspect somebody else, whether it was a cop or robber, and throw the attention away from me. You have to talk about only crime. You cannot talk about, hi, how's the city? What's the weather like? Only crime. Who do you think is the robber? How do you get rid of all the robbers? How do you keep the city straight? Streets clean. Go ahead.
I think there are few robbers because they are trying to hide their identity by putting mask on their face. So I think they are the robbers because they don't want to show their identity.
Exactly. We didn't notice whether they are
Very
robbers
interesting.
or cops. We didn't notice their expressions, how they are performing, how they are
Yes.
behaving while receiving.
Also,
the-
guys, you can note that the robbers actually don't want to speak. They don't want to come to the forefront.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Robbers have put their
Because
things on
then
mute.
they'll
So
get
I can
caught.
see some guys.
Bro,
right at the
actually,
beginning.
rob पुलिस वाले भी रहते हैं, मतलब पुलिस वाले भी शांत
You're
रहते हैं
lagging.
अपना आराम से. They just don't want to be.
Guys, I think
Yes,
Aman is a
sir.
robber. I think
Bro.
Aman is a robber. I think Aman. Bro, I'm not a robber. If
Aman,
Okay,
are you
wait
a
1
robber?
second. We can't. One sec, guys. We can't hear everyone. So one at a time, keep it up. Thank you.
Guys, I think Aman is a robber. I have this. Bro, I'm not a robber. If I would be a robber, I would be hiding myself from the very beginning. I would not be talking
No.
like I'm a
That
robber.
But
would
you're
be a
putting
So the only reason why you're
stupid
getting
robber
wearing
who
a
would
mask.
be,
Bro, I'm
Very
wearing a
bad
mask
defense.
just to
Very bad
like
defense. No.
coronavirus is there. You should be taking some kind of social distancing. You should also wear mask. It's not
But
like
in the
Bro,
home, why
Aman,
don't
you're
you need
sitting at home
Why?
home?
and
Yeah.
you are staunchly, you're pushing a lot of defense on yourself.
might be I'm
You're
wearing
pushing
mask.
a lot of defense on yourself.
Who
Daksh,
knows?
what
The
is
only
your
reason
take?
you're
Who's the
forcing
robber?
and defending yourself so
Bro,
much is
actually,
And if you
because
want
you're
to
a
be
robber.
safe from coronavirus, you will put mask on your nose also. You're not putting on
why?
your
Sir,
nose.
bro,
You
actually,
just want
Why
to
is
hide your
Mansur
face.
pushing so much on
While
Aman?
sitting inside home.
You just
While
want to hide your face. You don't want to
But
get
one thing which I want to describe.
Stop.
I want to maintain the anonymity.
Stop. Okay, the city now decides who leaves and who goes. Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
we're going to pick in every round. We're going to pick the top 3 suspects. So I'm just going to listen. Who's suspect 1?
Weber punt.
The
Who's
fact
it?
is that if I might be a positive guy who might be a positive in fact
Aman,
kind of
you are not
Aman.
allowed to speak at this point. You're not allowed to speak. Just choose one person who's 3 people who are robbers. Somebody said
Weber
Aman. Okay.
punt. Weber punt.
Okay, Aman, Weber Pant. Who else?
Laksh.
Laksh. Aman, Weber Pant, and Laksh. One of you guys is going to leave, and 2 of you guys are going to be safe. Let's begin the voting. How many people for Weber Pant? Weber Pant, come on. Just put your hands up.
That he's a robber?
Yes.
We are saving or we are going to kick out.
You can't vote for everybody. You can either vote for, you can only vote for one of the 3.
No, we are. I'm asking. We are voting for saving or we are voting for kicking.
You're voting for, actually let's do, no, voting
Let's do
for
kick.
kicking. You're voting for kicking. Yes.
Okay,
Just put your hand up. I'm going to look at the numbers. 1 person for Weber Pant. You can only use your vote once, huh? 1 person for Weber Pant. Bhuvan, you shut off your mic, shut off your camera, please. 1 person for Weber Pant. Okay. Who's next? Aman. How many people for Aman? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people for Aman. Okay. How many people for, sorry, that's 5. How many people for, who's the last person?
Laksh.
Laksh. How many people for Laksh? No one. Aman, I'm
All
so
right, bro.
sorry.
Hey,
You were not
it's
able
all
to
right. There's no need to be
save
sorry.
yourself. This is the only place where somebody said this is the only place where mask is unsafe. Can you tell us whether you were a robber or a police?
I was a robber basically. I haven't got a message.
Insane. So you got a message?
I haven't got a message, bro. I was a robber.
No, people. Chaitanya, anybody who didn't get a message is a robber, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So Aman, you were a robber. You were
Mhm.
not able to kind of hide. So bye. Sorry.
Okay, see you later, bro.
See ya. And do you have anything to say to everybody else before you leave?
Yeah, I was saying about a particular thing. Like when in the early times when people were just kicking out like this is the guy who's police and this is the guy who's robber. Okay. In that condition, you just don't have to say like this guy should be executed. If he want to be executed and he did some kind of bullying with other peoples in the community, he would be like told in such a way like you don't have to be kicked out, dude. You did a mistake. You are a friend of mine. You did some good things in the past, and you are like an old member to the Avalon.
Let me just tell you,
And-
you did not do enough politics. You did not message people. You did not talk to people. You didn't say, "Oh, that guy." You should do all of that. You should be part of the herd when you're a robber. Anyway, see ya. Thanks for joining.
Oh,
You can mute
thank
your
you,
mic
bro.
and stay if you want. You can mute your mic and your video and stay if you want. Okay. Cool.
Varun, I
Right,
actually
guys?
break my anonymity for right now. I break my anonymity for not being
Wait.
kicked out.
Nice. Okay.
Wait. Guys, wait. The city now wakes up. It's a new day. Now you guys can start speaking. Go ahead.
It's
Round
it's
2.
funny that it's funny. I mean, great job on last night, guys. We got a robber.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, bro, we had a great
One
job
thing,
last night.
one thing I
Great
want,
job, guys.
one thing I want to
My
notice.
fellow cops out there, good job.
One thing I want to give notice to is the fact that our man who wanted to stay anonymous throughout this meeting has decided to take his mask off because he feels unsafe.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
why? So I really want to know. Like, I want his justification as to why he's trying to do this. Because is he overcompensating for being a robber, or is he actually a cop?
Bro,
But
actually the thing
Yeah.
is being a anonymity का नहीं है बस वो just personal perspective. He just want to be like that only.
Okay,
रहता है.
but what's your perspective on that?
What's my perspective? What's my perspective on what?
On the mask.
Like on the mask, on who's cop, who's robber, man? What do you think?
A cop can be anonymous.
Yeah,
cop
Vaibhav, why are you
also
not
anonymous.
speaking?
It's up to him.
Person
It's up to
react
him.
on that.
Only
No,
robber
no.
hides the face.
No.
That
Yeah.
That's all gone. Robber hides his face or not. We have to speak, man. Manny, I suspect you, bro.
Oh, why is that? Why is that?
Why is that? Why are you so shy? Why are you not speaking? Kriti, man, you can speak.
No, I'm listening to people.
No
now.
input,
I'm
no
listening to
output.
people because I want to see who's the robber. I see Marcel pushing the narrative in the
Observation
last
doesn't
day.
work every time.
Last 30 seconds.
The main job of
30
police
seconds.
is to observe.
4, 5, 6.
Bro, pushing your
I think everyone is going to
your
say,
opinions
but
onto
you know,
others.
No.
Clear
None
sign
of
of
us
a
are
robber.
What is the-
speaking.
What does this have to do with pushing a narrative?
We have like 15 seconds left. So
Yeah.
who are our
15
suspects?
seconds
See,
left for
see,
the
one thing I have just was seeing in this chat is the facial expression everyone was making. Like, if you like
That's an
see
observation, right?
clearly, yeah, that's an observation I was taking in between everything.
See, everybody's
So,
observing.
yeah. So basically, what I think I voted for Webber Punt. The reason why I went it is because he was not saying anything. He has not said anything in this chat, and he is trying to hide it from here. No, yeah, that's why I'm voting like him because
Why
he's
do
not saying
you guys
anything
have
at
a
all.
perception of the people who are robber are basically who are the people
Defend
who are
yourself.
silent?
Defend yourself.
See, because
Very
they
interesting.
Defend
want to
yourself.
hide. Basically, they
Stop.
Yeah,
want
bro,
to
that
hide.
is also true.
Stop.
That is true.
Stop.
Hey guys, stop.
On
Bhai,
many
hold up.
levels.
Stopping.
That is true on many levels.
I need 3 names. I need 3 names. What's name
Again,
1?
Webber Punt.
Money.
Weber, Pant, Manny, and
Laksh.
Lux.
Laksh again.
okay, guys.
Again, man.
So, guys, are you guys ready? Shall we begin?
Sure.
Yes.
How many people think Weber Punch should be kicked out?
I mean, I don't know.
1. 2. Laksh, did you say yes?
Fuck my internet right now.
Okay, I can only see 1. Okay. How many of you say, who's the second person? Manny. How many of you think it's Manny? Just 1. How many of you think it's Laksh? Pretty much everyone. Pretty much everyone else. So, Laksh, I'm so sorry. You have been removed. What was your role?
I think he's stuck, Cap. His screen
I
is
think
frozen.
he had some internet issues. So
Yes, his screen is frozen.
bad timing.
Laksh, are you a robber or a police? Can you tell us? Okay. Anyway, Laksh has been
Want me to
kicked out.
tell you?
Chaitanya, is he? Yes.
Yeah,
Is he a robber or police?
he was a cop.
Oh my god. Okay.
City,
Hit
what
on our
have
own,
you
guys. We
done?
hit on our own.
City, what
Guys,
have
we
you
hit on our
done?
own.
Guys,
What
these
have
are
you
the
done?
guys getting-
I have not cheated.
See, here's the thing. If I were you, I'd look at everybody who pointed fingers at Laksh and I'd feel like they are the bad ones.
Yes.
Everyone is pointed.
No, I
Yeah,
have
now
not.
we have to
Not-
see
Be
all
careful.
those who
I
had.
think most of the everyone has pointed.
Video is working now.
Hang on. Hang on. The day begins. Now you can start talking.
Okay.
Who were the last ones who actually raised their hands up for Lux to be kicked out?
I'll be right back.
I don't even know that.
But continue.
I think I saw Pooja, and I'm not
No,
sure
no,
who
no,
it
no.
was.
Bro,
I
Okay.
voted
kick
for
out who
Manny,
anyone. I
man.
just want to
Yeah,
ask.
One
Pooja,
sec.
Pooja voted for me.
Yeah.
Wait,
Pooja voted
one
for
sec,
me.
one sec.
Exactly.
Varun,
After
just a
video.
suggestion. Please wait for at least 10 seconds after asking for votes because there's a video delay.
He's
Varun,
Infinite, mute
Varun,
yourself.
bhai,
Laksh,
I have a question to all of you. Please
Yeah, one sec, dude. Like, let Varun come back. Just mute yourself and turn off your camera.
No, he said to speak.
Chaitanya,
He was
guide
busy
me
by-
regarding voting. To whom we send the message of voting? To admin or whom? Or to
No,
you?
you're supposed to
You
say
just
out
have to
loud when
speak.
they're asking.
Yeah.
No, actually,
raise
Varun
your
asked
hand.
us to raise the hand.
Okay,
You
Varun,
get the
that-
option to raise your hand.
Yeah.
Please
Yeah.
speak
Varun.
with
Basically, raise the hand.
वरुण आई हैड अ क्वेश्चन वरुण
Yeah.
मैं किक आउट हुआ नहीं हुआ मतलब मेरा नेट फक हो गया था मैं
आप
हूं या
kick
नहीं
out हो गया. You are removed.
ब्रो मेरा इंटरनेट हो गया था आई डोंट नो
That doesn't matter because everyone kicked you out. You were a popular vote to be kicked out.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Thanks for coming. You can mute yourself beyond this thing. Mute your
Yeah.
mic. Switch off your video. Thanks for coming. But continue, guys. Continue.
Okay. I would like to say like I feel bad because I think as a city we need to protect our cops, and it's important that our cops
Terrible
and
decision.
and I it's
Because
Jaidev,
but
it's
you
Jaidev,
voted for
and I
Laksh,
think
right?
and I think I voted for Laksh as well, yes, and I think it was a mistake on our part. I feel really bad.
Definitely.
Because you know it shouldn't have
I've
happened.
not voted for him.
I wanted to
Basically.
ask a certain people like Bharat, Kriti, and everyone. Who do you suspect, man? You are silent.
Yeah,
you are
exactly. Tell us
observing.
your opinions, guys.
Yeah.
We want to hear you as well.
Yeah.
I think Ritik is very quiet throughout the conversation.
Vaibhav,
Ritik is very
again,
quiet.
man, you
Yeah,
cannot speak, bro. Speak.
भाई भाई
Yeah.
कनेक्टिंग की बात नहीं है मेरा इंटरनेट बहुत खराब चल रहा है
Hello, can you
Yeah,
hear me?
That is an excuse that I think Robber would
Ritik,
definitely use.
one second. Ritik,
Yeah,
what do you
basically.
think? Who's the robber? Ritik, who is the robber?
Okay, maybe it's you.
Yeah, you're not saying anything. You should say something at least.
Yeah.
What do you think?
There's nothing to say because there is not enough data points to basically see that who is the robber, who is not.
So we have to see what
Basically,
happens, right?
right now I'm just seeing your faces and I'm just judging that you can be or you can't.
A cop should
Okay,
use
so
word like maybe.
What have you
It should
decided
be
in last
certain.
2 rounds? You are
Bro,
observing.
you're being here for the past 2 rounds. You've been
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Right?
It's been time. Yeah.
So
exactly.
you must have
That's
formed
why-
some
Silently
opinion.
killing the people,
At least
being the
something.
robber.
Yeah.
Hiding in the
He's just
shadows
eliminating the competition.
and
He's
trying to
eliminating
kill
the
everyone.
Exactly.
He's hiding in the shadows, trying to kill everyone.
One thing I've just noticed is nervousness on Manny's hand. Manny is literally shaking.
No.
Like shaking.
Yeah.
No.
Look at the
I
body
just wanted,
language, guys.
I just
No,
wanted Ritik to defend himself. You were not letting him speak.
Ritik, Kriti,
I want
Bharat.
Yeah.
You guys are on my radar. Defend yourself.
I wanted him to speak up.
So I think it's
Because he's also.
Manny. Maybe it's
Ritik, see, we don't want to make a wrong decision.
Can
Can you guys hear
So
me?
we are giving you an opportunity to defend yourself.
Hello.
We don't want to make a wrong decision. We are giving you an
That-
opportunity to defend yourself. Ritik, go ahead.
Yeah, man.
If
You
you're
gotta
not a
speak.
robber, just say that. Prove it.
So why I'm not a robber is because I'm not saying anything without any proof. Okay, so I'm just going with the flow.
Okay.
Hello.
Bro,
Can you guys
accuse
hear me?
anybody? Can we accuse anyone?
Defend yourself. Are you a
Hello?
robber or a cop?
No, bro.
Hello.
But see, the reason.
One second.
Ritik,
Can you
the
guys
reason
hear
we're
me?
asking that.
I'm out. Time out.
Okay.
I need 3 names.
Manny.
Okay. Manny. Who's the next
Pooja.
one? Ritik.
Pooja.
Who's Ritik?
The chat is pushing Pooja.
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 The
Don't
chat is
respond to
deciding.
the
The
chat,
city
man.
first
Manny,
is pushing
Pooja
Pooja
and-
a lot.
Ritik.
Manny, Pooja and Ritik.
Ritik, fine.
Who's
Why?
Ritik? Where's
Why?
Ritik? I can't see a Ritik.
He's very
Observe,
silent.
bros.
Okay, I see a
Yeah.
Ritik. Cool.
Pooja, ultimately, we need to listen to the people as well. To the people
Exactly.
pushing you ahead.
Exactly.
How many votes for? Actually, first, do these 3 people want to defend themselves? You have 30 seconds to defend yourself.
Yeah, sure. I want to defend myself, bro. See,
Bro,
they're
why
like,
would
तुम अपने
a-
हाथ ऊपर रख रहे हो.
Manny first.
क्या? They're asking questions like तुम अपने हाथ ऊपर क्यों रख रहे हो? Like what does that have to do with it, यार? उसका क्या मतलब है? मैं वो पूछना चाहता हूँ. जिसने वो बोला ना, मेरे को बताओ. हाथ ऐसे रखने से क्या हो गया?
Okay, now my choice. Why would a cop not suspect everybody else and speak while they are not speaking? Are you guys literally listening to yourselves? Like, sarcasm, man. Robbers will be silent. They will hide. Why will they not?
Robbers will not be silent.
Thinking this
Why?
only the
Robbers be
robbers say.
silent.
You can put robbers to
With the
robbers.
crowd.
Yeah,
Robbers try to mingle with the crowd. They're
robbers
not
try
like
to
Not
too
imitate
upfront like us.
Stop. Ritik, defend yourself.
Yeah. So why I'm not a robber is because I'm using my analytical skills and seeing their behaviors and judging on it.
Okay. Cool, guys.
Ritik is innocent, I guess. I don't know.
So now everybody votes. How many of you vote for Ritik? Hands in the air for Ritik. One person. How many of you vote for, who's the other person?
Pooja.
Pooja and Manny.
Manny. How many of you vote for Manny? 1, 2, 3. 3.
Oh.
Just put all your hands up. Whoever vote for Manny. 1, 2. 1, 2,
It's 3.
3.
Kirti, your
Kirti.
hand was up. Are you changing
Yes,
note?
4.
Yeah.
4. Oh, there's one more person. Sumit M. Is Sumit part of the
No,
game?
not.
No.
Okay. Sumit.
He came
Shut
out.
your video. Shut your
Shut off your
video.
video, buddy.
4 people for Manny. How many
Manny.
people for Pooja?
Bring it on.
1, 2, 3. Kirti, you can't vote for 2 people.
I think she
can't vote
is.
Sumit, buddy.
You can't vote for 2 people.
Basically, एक minute.
You
Let me
can't
know
vote for 2
to whom-
people.
For what position we are voting? That she is a cop or she is a thief.
A robber.
But we are
Robber.
robber. Okay.
Okay, you
So I
already
take
voted.
my-
It's okay.
You already casted your vote against Manny, Kirti.
You already used your vote.
Sumit, please turn off your video, buddy. You're not a part of this.
Okay. Manny, how many? Put your hands up. How many of you want Pooja out?
Oh, sorry.
Those who are playing
1.
the game, can they also vote? I thought
Yes.
only they are not allowed to vote. Oh, they also are
Only
voting.
people who are in the game can vote. Please put your hands up. Whoever wants to kick out Pooja, please put your hand up. 1, 2,
Jadev, तेरा हाथ
3.
ऊपर है bro.
1, 2, 3.
I already voted.
3
Okay.
votes for Pooja and 4 votes for Manny. अफसोस इस बार आप कॉप नहीं बन सकते. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
You were voted out by your own teammates. Whatever.
That's cool.
Now, Manny,
That's cool.
were you a cop or a robber?
I was a robber, bro.
Oh.
Okay,
Right decision.
team, good
Right
luck. That
decision.
was a good
Second time.
success, man.
Good
Success.
Nice
Good
hit,
catch.
guys. Nice hit.
Very
Nice
nice
hit.
hit.
Good stuff, guys.
Vishesh, that hand
All
thing
right.
was overpowered.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I have experience to catch robbers. You can say that.
Okay, guys. Amazing.
Yeah.
So
You have the
now,
experience to catch
the d-
your teammate.
wait. The day starts now. Now you can talk. Now you can talk.
Okay.
Good. We're 2 for 1,
Okay, so
guys.
team,
Hello
good day.
everyone. Nice one.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, so how many
Pooja,
players?
on behalf of everyone, apologies
How
for
many
that,
people are
but you are still on the radar of the city, I believe.
Now I have
Pooja,
stopped
I
speaking.
think you're still
so
on
I
the
think
radar
I
of the
will
city.
not be
Yeah.
on the radar.
You are
How many?
definitely.
Why will you
Yeah,
not be on the
exactly,
radar,
Pooja.
Marcel?
Pooja, I also
Maybe
think that you
you-
are in
If
the
you want,
radar.
everybody over here, see, personally, I believe everyone's on the radar until you're eliminated or you're 100% proven to be a cop until the end of the game. Till then, everyone is on my radar. Each and every single one of you. Now, how you climb up and down the radar is up to you guys.
Exactly.
Of course, I believe I'm on the radar of everybody
There
else
is
as
a
well.
basic psychology game going on.
True.
Just be silent and prove yourself to be a cop. Why
I was
will a cop be
messaging
silent?
everyone with the chat and air.
Why will-
because he's trying to
I also
manipulate that
voted
cop
for
to save her.
myself. No. I also said one thing like Pooja for the Ben, and everyone said +1. Did you not read that?
There was also
Why would
chat
you
that
not
Pooja
read?
because he's trying to manipulate the talk to save
I'm
her.
asking questions.
You are manipulating
man.
everyone to save yourself.
I'm-
You are
I'm
suspecting
asking
everyone.
questions. I'm asking
Pooja,
questions.
for some
man.
reason, I don't know why it is very suspicious.
What type of question you are asking? People are wearing a mask. You are asking question.
Bro, that was not me. And I'm just silent. Drop the bomb. Speak.
It doesn't
Suspect the
matter.
other robbers. You
Now
have
you are
three
suspect, you
options,
have to
right?
defend yourself.
Bro, I'm defending myself. What do I have to do? What does a cop do? He speaks, he asks questions, he digs the truth out of other people. Robbers remain silent. They don't speak. What you guys are talking
Maybe
here?
that's the reverse psychology that he's making.
Experienced robber will be speaking. If that is the thing,
Exactly,
right?
exactly. Maybe
That
that's
is
the
it. We are all
reverse
millennials
psychology.
here. It is
So
not.
Varun is saying something.
He's today's
Varun is
robber.
saying something.
Hate chat में बात नहीं
Stop,
करनी
stop,
है.
stop,
Guys,
stop.
one person.
One at a time.
I need 3 names.
Priti.
Pooja is the first, I think.
Pooja,
Marcel.
okay.
Marcel.
Who's
Yeah.
Marcel?
Marcel. Hi, I'm here.
Okay, Pooja, Marcel, and
Kriti.
Kriti. Marcel, Pooja, and Kriti. Interesting. 3 of you guys defend yourselves. Pooja, I'll start with you.
Why will a cop not ask questions and dig the truth out of other people? Lose the sarcasm, man. Why you are all taking it in a sarcastic manner? See the truth. People just will be silent and they can all get to the next round. Why are you guys not? Why speaking is such a bad thing in coping world, man? Why? This is the
Kirti,
defense.
what about you? Kirti, defend yourself.
Okay, so basically, I have messaged privately to someone because I suspect them, and cops are not expected to speak a lot because they have to observe a lot of people, or they can fake themselves as a robber so that they can try to know who's the actual robber. So I'm trying to observe all other people.
True
Interesting.
robbers are silent, though.
Last person.
Hi, Marcel here. So, guys, we once made a mistake before by persecuting and kicking out one of our own. We made a mistake once. Let's not do it again. We got 2 people on the chopping
You
block. The
have
only
to
reason I am on the chopping block
defend
is because
yourself, not make an assumption about me. Defend yourself.
Yeah.
You are not putting up your point, buddy. A prime
I
suspect.
never, 1 second, I never brought you up into the conversation. I said, let us not take on one of our own. I am talking about myself because I am a cop.
I'm one of your own.
Why will I be
Avalon Army for
take
the
out
win.
one of my own, right? So, Pooja, for some reason, the entire city has been behind you. While Kriti, I don't
You
know
will
that so
regret
much,
the
but
truth.
ultimately is the city to decide.
Stop.
So, city, you can go ahead.
Stop. Now, how many of you think Pooja should be kicked out? I see one
we
hand
vote
going
also?
up. Yeah.
Can we also-
Obviously, even the accused can vote. 1, 2, 3, 4 votes for Pooja. Okay. How many of you think Marcel is the robber? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Marcel.
5 cap.
Okay, 5. Who else? Kriti, how many of you think Kirti is the robber? 1%. Okay, afsos, Mr. Marcel.
Guys, I
Were
warned you
you-
before, guys. Don't take out one of your own. You just took out one of your own, guys. You just took out
Are
one of
you
your
a
own.
robber or a cop? Just the answer.
No, I just told you took out one of your own. I am a cop. You just took out one of your own. I warned you guys 1,000 times.
Guys.
अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मत मारा करो यार. इतना बार बोला तुम लोग.
वोट मत करो सच में 2 लोगों को वोट सही मत करो ऐसे बात.
I mean, like
2
seriously,
लोगों को बाहर कर
guys.
चुके हो.
What's the score? How many cops to how many robbers?
Yeah,
2 cops, 2 robbers.
Do you want an accurate figure cap right now? I'll send it to you on private chat.
No, how many cops, how many robbers? I just want to know the. Oh,
Yeah.
No.
It was 6 to 8.
What's the number right now?
Uh,
It's okay. We can publicly disclose how
we
many
have
cops and how many
4
robbers.
cops left, and we have like everybody else is a robber basically. We have 4 cops.
I
And how
have seen
many-
hashtags in the chat justice for Marcel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You can also
Okay,
see
Marcel.
Pooja as a cop.
Thank you for standing in solidarity, but it's up to the founders and the
Standing in
admins to
solidarity.
decide whether they can bring it back.
We can't do that. Unfortunately, we can't break our own rules. Marcel, thank you for coming. Mute your video and your mic. All right, guys. It's another beautiful day in the city. What's the drama today? Begin.
Okay,
Don't
firstly-
vote for cops. Don't
Firstly,
vote.
one sec. Firstly, I want to know how many people
This
voted for
time we
Marcel.
have.
Wait, one by one.
Next time, let's be
How
serious
many-
and think who can be robber.
Yeah, no. Yeah, one way to figure that out
Cops and
is
5
to
robbers,
see. One sec. Wait. One way to figure out who is a robber is to see who voted for Marcel.
Yeah.
5 people
Yeah.
died and
So,
there are
how
no
many-
cops there.
I voted for Pooja.
Okay, I voted for Pooja as well.
I voted for
voted for
myself, but I
Pooja.
genuinely
I
thought that he
voted
was
for
a robber.
Kriti.
He was
I've never
definitely a
voted
robber.
for a cop.
Don't judge on the past. Don't
Guys, I'm
judge on
audible?
the past. Build a new
No, the
narrative.
past is important to figure out who the robbers are.
Yeah,
The robber, exactly.
Past is important.
definitely.
So yeah.
Okay.
I
that's
think-
the
I
only
think-
thing.
I think King
Yeah.
Vishesh is the robber because he has done suspicious activity before also. He
I
has
have not
done money
voted a
laundering.
cop since. I
No,
I have experience to find out who's the robber.
Guys, am I
That's why
audible?
I have
Yeah,
not
I
voted
think-
for a cop at all.
I think Vishesh is a valuable member. I agree.
Yeah.
So sorry, Nitish, but
I'm
I'll have to
100%
agree
correct.
that.
Yeah.
And it's kind of suspicious that you would go against Vishesh, even though he had a very good read. He had an OP read on a robber.
Yeah.
So
But
yeah.
Yes.
you are
So,
also
he's
not
an
very
excellent cop. He find every robbers.
sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So he may be a robber, but he's on our side. You know.
Yeah. I'm definitely
But the
on
whole
your side.
And
scenario
for
is
the
to
robbers.
pick up the
On
robbers.
your side,
A
on your
bad
side.
robber or a good robber. A robber is a robber.
I voted for robber
But
only.
see, but think about it from a
Varun is saying something. Varun is saying
intel
something.
perspective.
But time out, guys.
Respect you
Varun
on
is
this.
saying. Time out.
Time is out. Now, I need 3 names.
Kriti.
Ritik Rajput.
Kriti, okay. Kirti, okay then.
Ritik Rajput.
Ritik, Kirti, Ritik, and
Pooja.
Vaibhav.
Pooja.
Pooja. Again.
again.
Okay, fine.
Again,
Kirti, Ritik, and Pooja. Fine.
taking out the competition, huh? Nice.
Exactly, man. Why the
Fine. Let's begin. Pooja, defend yourself.
I would repeat the sentence. Why would you take one of your own, man? 4 robbers, 4 cops and other robbers. Why are you listening to the past narrative and not building your own thinking? The thing you were accusing me of driving the narrative to my side. Why are you being derived, man? Just.
Kirti, you. Kirti, your turn.
I think robbers are hiding very well, and I have suspected some of them. And when you will ask for vote, I will definitely tell you the name.
Okay. Ritik.
Yeah. So I'm again saying that a good cop is who basically analyzes everyone and seeing their behaviors. So I'm just judging them and I'm voting for basically
When will you
the
give
one
a
who are the
result? You're
robbers.
just judging. When will you give
Yeah.
a
He's telling a
result?
lot.
Stop. Voting time. How many of you for Ritik? How many of you think Ritik should go? 1, 2. Okay. How many of you think Pooja should go? 1, 2, 3. How many of you? Wait. Can you put your hands up again, please? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many of you think Kirti should go?
Kriti.
1, 2, 3. Afsos, Pooja, you came far. You came extremely far. You
But they
dredged.
kicked out one of their own. I was a cop, man. I was being good, bloody
See?
big man. What
I'm
the
100%.
We only have 3 cops left.
3 cops left now.
What?
Police is
Guys.
like not doing their work, man.
Like, not doing
Back
it.
up
Guys,
transfer
guys,
Avlon money.
Guys, this is why power comes with responsibility and you don't give it to everyone.
Exactly. You have taken out 3 responsible ones. I'm in question of Avalon one.
There is hashtag CBI for Pooja.
CBI for Pooja.
There should be though, man.
Justice
I'm
for
defending
Pooja.
myself.
Let's have CBI also after police.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank
Sorry,
you,
Pooja.
Varun. Thank you.
Mute your mic, mute your video. You can be here. It's the next round. And here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. Cops can still come back. The cops can still come back. The robbers right now are not coordinating. They don't know who each other are. Or maybe they send DMs and they know and they're coordinating perfectly. So it's another day in the city. You guys can begin your conversation.
Okay.
I
Firstly,
think we have made enough mistakes and we need to consider.
Yeah, I mean, the robbers are just sitting quietly, or I don't know.
Yeah.
I have a few
also-
suspects.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think-
Also, one second.
Communicating a
Also,
lot, or
I-
either they are sitting quiet.
You know, I
Okay,
have actually been
one thing-
observing. Yeah, okay, go on.
Yeah, sorry. One thing I want to really know is what this intel is that Kriti or Kirti has. Like, I'm not sure. Like, she keeps saying that she has intel. She has been for the past. few
Yeah,
months.
Kriti, this is your chance
Hasn't-
because you have.
Yeah.
Are you just doing for the sake of defending yourself?
What's like you've
Kriti
stayed alive for 2
voted
rounds.
Pooja for
That
Pooja.
last time we have intel. Please keep
Yeah,
that-
Kriti, this is your chance.
It was my mistake that I suspected many previous time. Oh no, that was my good decision. I think Jaidev Nandi should be suspect, and I think
Okay, why?
Pooja was not victim. She was very confident from the beginning. That's why I told that she was a cop. That's why I didn't vote her. Guys, how
Okay,
can
so-
you do this? How
I'll
can
tell
you
you.
do
I'll
this?
tell you. I'll tell you, Kriti. The point is, you should have expressed this thing earlier, because then
Yeah.
you would have avoided like
Exactly.
these losses in cops. Because we really have like a lack of cops now. We have like a 4 times amount of robbers, and this is not.
Kriti is using
this sort of
this.
this sort of intel is valuable for us. Okay, so you should be more outspoken when it comes to these sort of things. Anyways, no worries. We can still come back from this. So let's think of a plan as to how we should come back.
Okay,
from this. You
Kriti, just
suspect-
tell
Okay.
us.
Let's believe the Kirti intel.
I have a plan, small plan. Everybody will tell what they are seeing in other people that make them suspicious. So
Okay, may I start?
I want to start. I want to start. Weber Punt. I've been voting him for like 3 rounds. He has not said a single word entirely.
Am I not audible?
Yeah, you are
And-
audible.
But why you're not saying anything?
I've been speaking, but you guys are ignoring my voice.
You're just sitting and watching the show
Lower.
All right, guys.
from behind.
Done. I need 3 names.
Vaibhav Pant.
Kirti.
Raj.
I heard
Kirti?
Raj, I heard Vaibhav Pant, and I heard Kirti. Okay, I heard 3 names. Defend yourselves. Kirti, you first.
Guys, I think you people are suspecting me a lot because I am not speaking, but I am cop. How can I speak a lot? Just think that cop robbers are expected to speak a lot. That's why they are speaking a lot. I am not speaking because I am cop. Yeah, how can I tell that I am cop and cop? Then how will I catch the real robbers?
Because you're not a real cop. This is a game. You have to play. You have to talk at least. Tell that why you're not a robber, right? That's the thing.
Okay, stop.
I'm not a
Next.
robber. I have
Vaibhav.
suspected a lot of people. I have messaged them privately also.
Weber, were you accused this round?
Yeah.
Okay, defend yourself.
I've been observing many people silently, and when I raise my voice, like to tell these guys about someone, they are just not listening or anything. I believe that they are not replying to. That's why I've been some silent.
Okay, who's the last person? Raj.
I've been observing many people and speaking what they are. I've been correct mostly time. Just this time I was not correct. I assisted Pooja because she was like robber things. Just answer that.
Okay. How many of you want Raj to leave? Voting time. 1 for Raj. One.
Yeah, there are two.
Two for Raj. Two for Raj. How many people for Kirti? 1, 2,
Four,
3,
five.
4. 4 for Kirti. How many people for Vaibhav? One for Vaibhav. Kirti, were you a cop or a robber?
I'm a robber.
I knew it.
One third time. I'm the right third time.
Exactly.
Write
Cops are
that on
coming
my
back,
resume.
guys.
Write that on
Coming
my
back.
resume.
Comeback is real. In the chat, could you just
Yeah.
say
Write
comeback
that
is
on my
real?
resume.
Comeback is real. OP.
Comeback is real. Who would have expected Kirti to be a robber? But
We all
that's
expected.
life.
It took me 3 rounds to took one robber. Like
This is
we have to
justice.
work better.
This is justice. This is CBI for Pooja and Marcel and whoever else died before this.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many robbers are there left?
Kirti, thanks
I
for
need
coming.
to disconnect. Okay.
No,
Yeah,
you can
Kirti
stay.
was
You
a-
just mute your mic and your video. Okay.
Sir, how many robbers are left?
He's just counting.
Chaitanya will know.
One sec, Cap. One sec. Cap, on my list, Kirti was a cop. I don't understand why she's calling herself a robber. I sent her the message.
What?
Bro, you didn't send me any message.
What? Oh my God.
Unfortunately, you killed
Oh my
one
God.
goal from your team.
Oh my God.
So Kirti has confused herself. She's confused you guys.
And you suspected me, man. Why? Like, why?
No, guys,
You were
if she
suspecting
was
yourself.
certain,
do
wait, if she's
yourself.
so certain, there might have been, like a human error, but I'm pretty confident because I've written her name on my list as well with pen that she's a cop. But okay, let's double
Maybe
triple check.
he's playing a double game.
Can't
You
access
never
the
know.
chat history here.
Kirti is a double agent.
Crazy.
Guys,
No, I
Thanks
didn't.
for coming.
Let's just
I
move on to the
really
next
didn't.
round, guys. Let's just move
I
on to the
didn't
next
get
round. It's going to
message.
get really interesting. This is
Okay,
fun.
Kirti. Mute your
Hey
mic, mute your
Chaitanya,
video.
can you send the messages again that a cop remains? So it's just confirmed. So this doesn't happen again.
Okay.
Can you send the messages again, Chaitanya?
Yeah. There are only
Two left.
There are only two left.
What?
There are only two cops.
How many are?
So 2 cops.
Okay. Begin.
Okay, 2
Begin.
cops. And how many robbers?
Everybody else is a robber.
How many members
So
are there?
1,
6
2.
or 7, if I'm not wrong. If my memory serves accurately.
Yeah. So
Okay, cool. It's an uphill battle, but we can
Can we
still do
start?
this. Yeah, let's start. Okay, guys. Any intel?
Guys, have you observed
Can we-
one thing?
Yeah.
Raj
1, 2, 3, 4,
raises
5.
his hand at last. Every time we get a majority on something.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My internet problem. It
No,
comes late.
it has
Raj is
been
But
getting
now it is
nervous.
working just
And
fine.
it's come late always.
Raj is
and I-
yes.
But now it is working just fine.
working very fine.
Yeah.
So the thing is, there are more robbers than cops now.
Two
So
cops left, dude.
there will be a lot of flashes. The cops will find out.
Let's this time select smartly.
Okay. So why do
But
why do you
cops
think
can
you're?
come back, right?
If you have so much time, everyone defends themselves one-on-one.
Let's start with you, because you were the first accused.
Okay. I'm not a I'm cop because I am suspecting people.
I'm not a cop.
He said I'm not a cop.
Did you see the Freudian slip?
I am
You
a
said,
cop.
Did
no,
you
you
see the
said
slip?
I'm
I'm
not a
not a
cop.
cop. You said
Okay,
I'm not a cop.
I'll tell you. This is our option with this guy. He's either a really bad cop, okay, or he's definitely a robber. I am
I am a
leaning
cop
towards he's
because I'm
definitely a robber.
I'm a
You're
cop
Freudian
because-
slipping all over the place, man.
What?
Yeah. When you were not getting word, it was a different thing. Now you're not getting that confidence to be a cop. So what you're a robber.
You just have to raise hand
But
at the
you're not letting me speak.
If you're a
I'm
cop, you have
a
to
cop
speak. You have
because-
that authority. Come on.
Man,
Okay, fine,
Sanchit,
fine.
please let me
Let
speak.
him go
Why
ahead.
are you
Let him go
interfering?
ahead. I think it's important as cops to like hear him out.
Uh, I think the probability of firing a cop, firing a robber is too high. Cop can't lose this. We can't lose this. The other cop, I have one friend over there, just one. We can't lose this.
Oh, so you have a friend.
See,
So that
we have
means you are
to
a
just
cop.
not vote for each other. We just don't have to vote for each other, and we are okay. Like
Sanchit,
any
why are you
signal.
interpreting me? And why are you not
Guys,
letting me speak?
did you
Like,
notice
Okay,
King
go ahead,
Sushi?
dude. Go ahead. Let him finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a cop because I am taking the facial expression of everyone and suspecting them. What are they doing? What are they saying? And every time tell what are they? Are they a cop or are they a chore, robber? Sanchit, do you want to say something? Do you want to defend yourself?
No.
Stop. 3 names.
Raj.
Vaibhav.
Yeah, I would go
Raj.
with Vaibhav too.
Raj.
Vaibhav,
Vaibhav.
Raj, and Vaibhav, Raj, and
Sanchit.
Okay, Vaibhav, Raj, and Sanchit. Fine. How many of you vote for Vaibhav? How many for Vaibhav? 1 for Vaibhav. How many for Raj? Oh my God. It's a lot of people. And how many for Sanchit? No one's voting for Sanchit. Okay, Raj is voting for Sanchit. So unfortunately, Raj, were you a cop or a robber?
Cop.
You're a cop!
What?
No.
No.
Guys.
I'm losing my mind.
What is this?
Guys, I'm not very confident about
We need justice.
the Avalon
Cap.
army
We
now.
need justice. We need justice.
You're not letting me speak, man.
Dude, we gave you a chance. We gave you plenty of chances. You weren't able to
Man,
communicate with
Sanchit
that.
was always
You are not reacting at the
Look, dude,
correct
like
time. I think.
here we don't know who's cop, who's robber, so we have to take chances. Like I said, you're either a really bad cop or you're a robber, and I was leaning towards
Guys,
robber.
just focus
like
on who's pushing the narrative the most. Look
Jadev,
at who's pushing the
obviously.
narrative the most.
Stop.
Yeah, you should focus on
It's
me because
time.
I'm a cop.
Stop. It's time. The day has begun. Continue with your conversations. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people left. 7 people left. 1 cop, 6 terrorists, 6 robbers. 7 people, 1 cop. Who is the cop? Begin.
I will definitely. Yeah. If I want to say, yeah. Go ahead. Vaibhav?
Vitish has been extremely safe, and because he has been predicting 2 of his guesses right.
Yeah.
So Jaydev has been playing before him. मतलब पीछे से खेल रहा है वो हर बारी उसके उसको सपोर्ट
I'm
करेगा
always leading the
क्योंकि उसको
conversation.
मेजॉरिटी मिल रही है उसको मेजॉरिटी मिल ही रही है.
Okay. Cool.
So, what do you think is the cop?
Go ahead.
I'm the cop, yeah.
No, you are not.
That's why.
What the?
Bro, I'm the cop. That's why I bring
Yeah.
out the
You have
idea
been
of
extremely
mask.
silent.
Okay,
No,
Nitesh,
bro,
make
I
your
bring out the idea of mask.
make
One
your
second,
case.
guys,
That's
one second. If somebody reveals that they're the cop, they're going to obviously be, because everyone else is the terrorist, they're going to vote the cop out. So think,
Yeah.
if you are the real cop.
Yeah.
If you're the fake cop, then, well,
Yeah.
it's your game. But go
Because
ahead.
of me, one guy changed his name.
So you are saying
Earlier
you are
it
the
was
cop?
pseudonym. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Bharat, you are the cop.
What?
Yeah.
You are the robber.
I am what? You think I am the cop?
He's something because he
Yeah,
tried to.
everybody is a cop. Everybody is a cop.
No, that Nitish guy is accepting that he is a cop.
And you are not.
You are
You
not
are
a cop
not.
then. Are you a
I'm
robber?
not
You are
saying
not a
that.
cop.
Are
You
you
are
a
not a
robber?
cop. You are saying you are
You're a
not a
robber.
cop.
I am a
You are
cop.
not a
Yeah,
cop.
we
I
got,
didn't
we've
say.
You
got,
are
we've
just
got a
saying you are
robber.
not a cop. You are
We've got
just
a
saying
robber.
that he is a cop. You have
You
just
are
said
gonna
that.
regret this. You are gonna regret this, although it
Yeah.
it happens. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay. Stop.
So yeah.
Stop.
Varun, can I take two names or only one?
No, only one. We need three
okay.
names.
I vote for Bharat because he just said he's not a cop.
Cool.
Oh yes.
Okay,
Good
ठीक
point.
है.
Bharat.
Good.
Who else?
Good point.
Jaydev.
Who else?
Jaydev.
Come on, two more names.
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav and Jaydev, I think.
Jaydev and Vishesh.
And Jaydev. Okay, great guys. We have three people. We have Bharat, we have Jaydev, and we have Vaibhav. Right? Defend yourselves. Start.
So see what's happening is whoever starts interacting, you guys suspect them of being a robber, right? And that is not good because what can I say?
Guys, look at Jaydev, his body language. He's shaking a lot.
Well, I think personally, like Jaydev have been taking the narrative, so I don't think.
Okay. Cool. I mean, yes, bring the blame on me. That's okay. That's perfectly fine.
No, I'm not bringing the blame on you.
As a robber, you would do that because, well, it works out in your
Yeah,
benefit, right? If you get out another cop, you guys win essentially, right? So
Like,
that's what you're clearly trying to do.
You didn't heard what I'm saying. I'm saying
Vaibhav.
people
I
are
want to hear
thinking.
Vaibhav. I want to hear Vaibhav. Defend yourself, Vaibhav.
Yeah, I have been observing many people from 2-3 rounds, and I have been accused Vidish many times. I don't know why.
Okay,
But
guys,
I have
cool.
been trying to help you guys.
Cool. Voting time. How many of you think Bhaskar should be kicked out? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for Bhaskar. I think that's about it, right? No need to do the votes. Bhaskar, unfortunately, you've been kicked out. What were you?
I was a cop.
I knew it.
Captain, I'm losing.
Firstly, I have some
Managed to
questions.
get
Okay.
rid of every cop.
Well, you can mute your mic. You can mute your mic. I have a question for the terrorists. I mean the whatever the bad guys. Were you coordinated?
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
See, I pretty much knew the entire time who was the robbers. So I pretty much helped him not to get out.
I wasn't coordinated.
But I made 2-3 sacrifices in the midway.
So
And
somehow
definitely
you
made.
managed to kick out all. How many terrorists? How many robbers were kicked out? Only one, no?
Yeah, I have to make a sacrifice.
Yeah. Nice.
2 robbers.
Interesting.
All other cops.
Interesting. So the guys that are remaining, now it's time
Guys
for robbers
told
to
you. Vaibhav and
see. There's this story, okay, where these robbers they steal money and then they start fighting amongst themselves. So what I need you to guys to do now, kick out 2 people from your team. Your time starts now.
What's the team?
You're all robbers, right? 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. Kick 2 people out.
I think Vaibhav should be kicked.
Nitish.
Vaibhav. Sorry, we need
Sorry,
your
Vaibhav.
sacrifice. We need your sacrifice.
Okay. You guys don't want to talk about it? I'm just going to start
Yeah,
the voting
let's-
round. Okay.
Let's start voting.
So-
Yeah, why not?
Cool. So let's begin. Vaibhav, who do you vote for?
Nitish.
Nitish, okay. Ritik, who are you voting for?
Above.
Vaibhav, okay. Nitish, who you voting for?
Vishesh.
Vishesh, okay. Vishesh, who you voting for?
Web ups. Bro, see, it has a lot of things for police. Sorry.
Jaydev, who
I
you
just-
voting for?
Vaibhav.
Awesome. So Vaibhav, I'm so sorry. Afsos, your team has kicked you out. You guys made the money together. You ran, you survived. And now you are, you've been kicked out. How do you feel about this?
Don't know.
Okay, just hang in there. So the rest of you, 4 of you, I need to kick one person out.
Okay, I think this one we should discuss a little bit. Can we?
Yes.
And I think you should
okay.
kick out somebody. I think you should kick out the bad person. You should kick out somebody who you think is not fit to be like police of
Police.
the
Yeah.
Avalon community.
Okay.
Definitely.
So let me introduce myself. So I am an early Avalonian. I am part of the Avalon for basically 2 months right now, and I'm very active. Okay, so I'm basically 3 to 4 hours on the Discord, and I know a lot of Discord. So you can basically see me basically every time. Maybe in gaming, I'm get into a lot of gaming, and I was in the competition for the Valorant, but we lost.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Cool. Okay, I think since everyone's doing introductions, I might as well start. Hi, my name is Jaydev. I've been on the server for about 2 weeks, and I really like the community here. I usually come on at late at night and chill with a lot of people. I'm also
One sec. Jaydev, how did you join the Discord community? Where did you find out about it?
I think I saw your ad. I think I saw either yours or Abhinav's ad. I'm also part of the PL, the game of PL.
Okay, interesting. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm also part of the Rim clan as well. And even though that's not going to happen anymore, yeah, that's about it. So anyone else wants to introduce themselves and see how much value they add, and then we can accordingly.
So, my name is Vishesh. I go by the name King in the Discord servers. And if you see, if you go into any voice chat and say my name, there's like high probability they will know me because I have been in the voice chat for like really long time. I have joined this like Discord server like half a month ago, seeing Abhinav ad, and I'm enjoying there from there. I work with Discord a lot. So thanks.
Okay, guys,
That's all
it's kick out time. It is kick out time. He's going to be kicked out. One person is going to be kicked out. Start. What are you guys waiting for? Jaydev, what about you?
I'd say Nitish, even though he's my brother. Yeah.
Is your real brother?
No, he's my dost. We game a lot.
Okay, Nitish, there's a target on your back. Nitish, who do you pick?
Vishesh.
Vishesh? Why?
Because he was the he was not cop for initial time, and he was blaming everyone that I targeted this and it came correct. That's why.
Okay, Ritik, what about you?
Yeah, so I think Nitish.
Nitish again? Okay. Vishesh, what about you?
Nitish.
Unfortunately, Nitish, you failed to play the political game. All communities, there's a little bit of politics. You need to make friends. You need to make allies. You can't just point fingers at everybody. And you will unfortunately have to forfeit this competition. But thanks for joining.
Yes.
You made it. You guys won.
Yep.
Thank you.
It was a fun experience. It was a fun experience.
Amazing.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
All right, guys.
See you
3
after
people.
this.
3 people. One of you will have to go.
4.
Who's the 4th?
Okay. There's 4 people.
Who's
4 of us, right? Yeah.
Ritik, Vishesh, Sanchit, and Jaydev.
Oh, Sanchit. Shit, I forgot to say Sanchit's this thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sanchit has been hiding like a snake.
Now I've been.
Okay, guys.
I was just waiting for my turn. Yeah.
Okay. So Sanchit, because we missed you.
Yeah. So
I want you to tell us. I want you to tell me, and this time, the admins are going to decide who wins and who doesn't win. Okay, whether you stay or whether you don't stay. There are few admins on board. So give the admins a 1 minute, 30 seconds impression of why you should stay.
So should I start?
Yes.
Okay. So I think why I should stay is because the role of a cop, role of a police, to be is anonymous, and with that keep justice in the group. For me, Avalon community is not just a group or a community. I have been recommending my friends so much about this. I just needed something like this, to be very honest, because in the real world I cannot find such people with such great mentality and mindset. If I have any problem, I just go. Saad helps me out, and so many other people, helpful people, help me out. So I just want to give back to the community. I have this default nature of I cannot hear bad about anything that belongs to me, and this is my family, and I'm not gonna let it hurt. Even if I'm not a cop, I'll try my best to not.
So you're saying if somebody goes on Quora and types nonsense about us, you will go and defend us.
I am for sure, even if I'm not a cop. That I can give you a commitment right now.
Interesting. Admins, what do you have to say? Admins, yes or no?
Looking at the whole game that was played and observing everything that the robbers were doing, who are now cops in the Avalon Army Discord server, I'll say no.
Same here. It's a no, bro. Sorry.
Because the decision we are making is not only cause of the pitch that Sanchit, the words that Sanchit said right now. Sanchit, I have a lot of respect for you, dude, because of the value that you have for, the kind of feeling you have for the Avalon army. Thank you very much for that, bhai. But the thing is, the whole game matters, and I saw how Jaydev, Vishesh, and Ritik played in the whole game. And that is what a cop needs to do, like understand how everyone's working and all those stuff. And they did it very well.
Sorry for the interference, but I did play the game. That's why I'm here, right? That's why
yeah,
I'm
dude.
of
course.
Okay, guys, listen. I am going to protect Sanchit. I really liked his, his idea of protecting the community online. That's very important. I'm going to protect Sanchit. Now I need the help of the audience. Audience, are you guys here? All the old ex-players, are you guys here?
Yes.
All the players, are you ready to get your revenge on the robbers? All the CBI people, are you ready to get your revenge on the robbers? All right. So now, Sanchit and Ritik are one team. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's have everybody pitch for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. Why the audience should select you to be a police. 30 seconds. Jaydev, you first. And by the way, audience, you guys are the truth detector. You are the lie detector. So if you feel the person is lying, if any of the ex-players, if any of the people in the chat feel like somebody is lying, then you kind of don't make them the police. You kick them out. So essentially what you guys are doing you guys are being a lie detector. If there's any falsities in somebody's statement and you feel, it might not be true or falsity, but if you feel there's a falsity, you are going to vote them out. You guys ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Jaydev, you start.
Okay.
Why should the audience vote for you?
So I think I love the Avalon community. And as a cop, I think I'd make your life as well as the admin's life easier. I'm a master of words. There can be no another. Treat me like one of your own. I am your brother. That's my 30-second pitch. Thank you.
Okay. Ritik.
Yeah. So let me start. Okay. So you don't know me by this name, okay? In the Discord, my name is actually Arnab Goswami in it, and so the reason why I kept it, because that's very ironical, okay? So the thing behind is when you go past 2 months, I can't speak this way, Okay, I wasn't able to speak to basically Varun. Maybe he's a millionaire, and basically all these people are fantastic. I wasn't able to speak, but the community has given me that much confidence that my stammering problem has basically gone away. So yeah, that's my pitch.
Vishesh.
Okay, so my pitch will be a small pitch. See, I have been in Avalon communities for a little bit time, but I know I have enough connection in this audience that they will vote for me. I have enough connection with admins. I know two or three admins that should vote for me.
Admins are not.
They are my
Admins are not
bigger.
voting. Admins are not voting. It's just going to be the players,
Admin.
the cops. You guys
Okay.
all murdered together. So the cops are going to, kind of take a decision from the grave. Okay.
Oh.
Sanchit, you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, my name on Discord is Closer Sanchez. So once I become the police, you guys can come to me if there is any issue. I'd like to also tell you that I already
Oh,
work.
bribing.
I already work. No. It's not a bribing. It is my duty. If something is happening in the Avalon community, they have to come to me. As I told that this community has already started to give me so much that I cannot find the real. But Avalon is another world, literally. I mean, I can feel it inside me growing, So I feel it has to be protected. And if any person feels their rights getting violated, they can definitely come up, and I'm sure I'm going to help them know where, like, I am going to do it. Justice prevails. Yeah.
Wonderful. So first, the Zoom group chat, all the people in the audience, you guys vote. One person. You guys get to vote for one person, and then later I'll make the old cops vote for another person. So you guys get to vote for one person. Begin. By the way, you're voting for somebody to kick out.
Thank you, Sagar.
So Sanchit and Jaydev. Looks
Is
like
this for
Sanchit
kicking
and
out
Jaydev.
or-
Yeah, this is for kicking out.
Oh. No. Then you got to ask them.
Kick out. Okay, Ritik and Jaydev. Sheesh. Can you do a poll on Zoom?
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
You should be able to make a poll on one of those apps and send a link.
Varun, let's do a poll on Discord because even if we minimize the Zoom app, the audio stays on.
Varun sir, you can put a poll on your Instagram story and we will vote.
No, I'll put it on Discord. I'm putting it on main chat in Discord, okay?
Who to kick out, right?
1 second. Yes, who to kick out? 1 second. Shesh, Ritik.
Thank you, Sagar.
Ritik and Sanchit. All right, guys. Time for you to vote. Who to kick out? Please vote.
And my username is Closer Sanchez on Discord. You can find me there. I'll type it down in the chat section so you guys can see. Yeah. Guys, this is my username. Once I become the police, you can just come. Okay.
30 seconds left, guys. 30 seconds left. Oh my God. You can't vote multiple times. And even if you do vote multiple times, it doesn't make a difference. If you vote for multiple people, it doesn't make a difference. 30 seconds left. It's very close between Jaydev and Ritik. Ten seconds left. So close between Jaydev and Ritik. 35 versus 33. 5 seconds left, guys. 5 seconds. It's 5 seconds left. It's 5 seconds left. 3 seconds left. Ta! Voting stop. Jaydev, you lost by 1 vote. It was 36 versus 33 when I was watching. 1 vote. 1 vote.
It's okay. It's okay.
So I'm so sorry. It's just life. But you did well. You fought well. So you could still be here. You will still get to, make that final.
Can I just say one thing? Can I just say one thing before I leave?
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, this is my first debate on this sort of platform. I think you guys will definitely see me on the admin debate. So see you guys there. I love the competition. It was great. It was amazing. Thank you so much. I love you all. Anyways, thank you.
It's a pleasure, bro.
Awesome. Awesome, guys. Now, Ritik, Sanchit, and King Vishesh.
Cap, how many cops are we picking right now?
Just 2. One of these people is going to go home. And the people who are going to decide is all the other people who were police. So all the police, switch on your camera. Everyone who is selected as a police, and Jaydev, please switch on your camera. Return of the cops.
Feels so bad. All the cops got voted out.
All the cops, please switch on your camera. Whoever's left. Okay. Many of them have actually left the server. Okay.
Guys, we need to stand for
honest cops.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Let's do a wild card of one of the honest cops. Anyone you pick up.
Exactly.
Wild card.
We had the debate in the initial also, man.
But one thing was, even though we had the tables turned against us, we weren't able to take it vote amongst ourselves.
Okay, stop. Now, Sanchit, Ritik, King Vishesh. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to sing a song. You're going to be decided on a song. So in school, when I used to go to school, first we used to sing the national anthem. Then we used to sing a song about the school. It's called the school anthem. It's about 5-10 lines. It had a tune. So you guys can take any famous tune you want. You have 30 seconds, a minute to think. Any famous tune, and you need to make a song about Avalon, about the pride of Avalon and the Avalon army. You make a song about it. And the police and Jaydev and Bharat and everybody else that's there, admins are not allowed. These people are going to vote. 1 minute starts now. 20 seconds left. You will know when it's time to start. You'll know when it's time to start. It's time. Okay, we are going to start with King Vishesh. Time for you to sing, my friend.
With tune, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Avalon, play games every time we come to the server. Avalon, we play games every time we come to the server. And mainly to Valorant, but sometimes we mainly Valorant is terrible. But we always remember the Mario game. The Mario game.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. That was
Yeah.
quite polarizing. Some people really loved it. Some people hated it. I can tell from the
Yeah.
chat.
Yeah.
But that's okay. It's still very good. Ritik, it's your turn.
Yeah, so I'm not very good at singing, but okay. Hey guys, welcome to the Avalon. Talk to us and become the king of the con. We make just that's it. 2 lines.
We make good porn.
Oh,
Continue.
yeah, that was it. That was it. 2 lines.
So can you repeat that again?
Hey guys, welcome to the Avalon. Talk to us and become the king of the con.
King of the corn.
Com. COM.
Okay. Next.
Shall I go for it?
Sanchit. Yeah.
Okay. ए मेरी एवलॉन कम्युनिटी तू है मेरी बंदी से ब्यूटी तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान एवलॉन चल साथ बढ़े चल साथ में सीखें तू है मेरा मान
All right, boys, girls. You guys
all.
ready?
If I could marry you all, I would.
Yeah.
You guys ready? Okay.
Help it, thanks.
Police peoples.
Himanshu,
Pooja, Jaidev, Bharat, Raj, Weber Pant. Weber, you here? Okay, no Weber then. Okay, Weber and Kirti. Weber, unmute your mic, no? I mean, unmute your face. What do you call it? Show your video.
Thanks.
Now, I want you to vote. Just like they voted you out, all of them together, Slipe people, I want you guys to vote. Raj, who do you think deserves to not be a cop? Who do you think deserves to lose?
On the song?
Mm-hmm.
On the song or as a general, like what they do and other things?
On the song.
PIG, who's this guy?
King Vishesh?
King Vishesh.
Okay. King Vishesh, one vote for you. Bharat. Or is it Bharat or Bharat?
It is Bharat.
Okay, Bharat, what about you?
It would be King Vishesh because I couldn't hear his song. It was more of, Mario theme. I heard.
I also voted because of that.
Yeah.
2 votes against King Vishesh. Jaidev, what about you?
Ritik, I mean, the other 2 songs were at least memorable to some extent, which is what a song should be. But Ritik, I just know.
Okay. Weber, what about you? 2-1.
He was not clear at all. his lyrics was not clear. At least Ritik lyrics were clear, and Sanchit was.
3 King Vishesh.
Yes, thank you for getting out.
Pooja, what about you?
I'm a Mario fan though. So yeah, Ritik. I would say Ritik.
2 to 3. Marcel, what about you?
Tiebreaker.
Normally, I would go for Ritik, but Vishesh, your background sound was too long. Even though you had an awesome song, but background sound was too loud, couldn't hear anything. So Vishesh. Sorry, bro.
Kirti, what about you?
Background sound was too loud, and I don't think Mario can be the background music of Police, so I didn't like it at all. Vishesh.
4.
See, I'm not surprised because I voted every single cop out, and revenge is coming.
I voted for you, man. What do you want? I voted against you. Like,
Oh, 90.
Bad judge.
Yeah.
One thing
Bad
though,
judge.
Cap, if there's something as an admin save, I'd like to exercise it right now.
There are no. Chaitanya, please.
Unfortunately, there are no admin saves.
All right.
For this debate. Maybe the next one.
Fair enough.
But who do you say?
I'd say Vishesh for sure and kick Ritik out because Ritik just said 2 lines of a song. That's not even a song. I don't understand why people are going, against the Mario dude for, having louder background music.
Background song.
It's a song.
I mean, the guy who did nothing is.
I can just play
It was
a
not
song.
clear at all.
And then, something gone. I don't even understand.
you should be sold on Mario, man. Who cannot like Mario? Man, Mario classic.
And Captain, I'd also like to say one thing. We already have a working case study and a case model. Why democracy fails? Because we managed to kick every cop out because of democracy.
Exactly.
So we already know,
Exactly.
You, Chaitanya, no use. No use.
Nice one.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah, I get
wonderful. I had a lot of fun. Way more fun than the admin. The next admin debates are going to be crazy fun, but I had a lot of fun.
You bet.
And what you guys can do is actually get on small Zoom calls on Discord and play this game with each other. It's a lot of fun. It helps you with speaking skills. It helps you with trying to read another person. It helps you with Zoom etiquette. It's very nice. And I would like to congratulate our 2 new policemen, Ritik
Thank you.
and where's the other person?
Sanchit.
Sanchit. You now join Bhuvanyu and one other person. I don't remember the person's name.
Oh. It's an honor.
And it's
Thank
time
you.
for you true policing.
Thank
Cool?
you. Great
Bye.
honor. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thanks a lot.
I'll say this one thing, Vishesh bhai, well played. Till the end.
Whoever voted against me, na, I was
see.
very direct, man. I was very.
You did one mistake. You flexed about you kicking out the cops. Just that. भाई तू नहीं करता ना तो वो कहीं ना कहीं बच
See,
जाता.
I voted every single cop out. That was the problem.
तूने फ्लेक्स भी कर दिया ना तो भाई चैतन्य इसने फ्लेक्स भी कर दिया मस्त. I am the one who voted the cops out.
All of you learn this one thing, okay? Not being right in a debate like this is a very good idea.
Yeah.
Is a very
What?
good idea.
Not speaking?
No, not a threat. Pooja, you got kicked out because you were a threat.
Bro, my own teammates voted against me. I texted each
Pooja,
one of
you
them like, why?
got kicked
That's
out
what
because of the body movement loss, dude. Like you were literally smiling and everyone in the chat was getting a feel that you are a robber. Because tu must smile kar rahi thi robber ke aur cop ke jaane pe.
Bro,
Guys,
cop bhi
I
to
need
smile
to wind this Zoom call up because I have to go. Can we move this to Discord, please?
Yeah, let's move.
चलो आ जाओ.
Awesome.
आ जाओ.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Chalo,
Thank you for
peace,
supporting
guys.
us. Whoever did. Thank you. Love you all.
Bye.
Thank you.
Alrighty, congratulations,
Bye.
Ritik and
Thanks.
Sanchit.
Thank you, guys.